concern certainly growing as that storm churns in the Atlantic. Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Natasha Brown in for Jessica Dean. We are going to check in with meteorologist Kate Bilo in just a moment. First, Eyewitness News reporter Cleve Bryan is live in Ocean City with what we can expect down the shore this weekend. Cleve.
Natasha, first of all, expect beautiful weather. It's beautiful right now, but with that, you need to be aware of what's going on with the ocean. There's already some strong waves here, and we have to be mindful of what's still to come.
Like a summer day. You never know it's September.
Less than a week until it's officially fall, but the Jersey Shore was in midsummer form Friday.
It's beautiful. The weather is perfect.
We actually appreciate the weather even more so than the hot weather of the summertime.
If there's anything to squawk about, it's the threat of severe weather possibly heading our way from the tropics.
We were waiting for to find out about the hurricane.
After meandering around for a while in a far-off loop, Friday morning tropical storm Jose showed signs of strengthening and taking a new track that brings it closer to the East Coast. New Jersey is now within the National Hurricane Center's forecast cone, and Jose could send wind and storm surge by next Tuesday.
The worst and dangerous part of the storm is the northeast quadrant.
Cape May County's emergency manager Marty Palugi says it's too soon to make any real decisions about Jose, but the latest movements have officials closely monitoring the track and thinking about how to respond to potential impacts.
We're looking at some possible minor to moderate coastal flooding right now. If the storm tracks further in or makes landfall, we could be looking at major coastal flooding.
The most immediate danger is rip currents. All week, Hurricanes Irma and Jose have been sending larger than usual waves to the Jersey Shore that make it hard to stand in one place and easy to get swept away in deadly rip currents.
I would knock them down a little bit.
Now, I want to show you how we know these are tropical waves. These are long period swells that are coming from a storm far away. We know because they're really long waves. Regular waves, 2 or 3 of us might jump on a boogie board and that's all that fits on it. These waves will go 1/10 of a mile to half a mile down the beach. And that's how I can tell that these are waves that are coming from a far off storm. And they pack with them a lot of wave energy, which is why even though the wave may not look that high, it still has a strong force that can knock you over. And if it could push you to the side where there's potential hazards, like we see here with some of the pipes, rocks, and of course anywhere where the water goes in a low spot on the ground, we get those rip currents. Live in Ocean City, I'm Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Cleve, that's a good look.